Good morning, everybody. So we're working on these flickering videos here, and I thought it was the shop lights, but I've changed the frequency from 50 to 60 back and forth. Didn't make any difference. Tried a video outside. It seemed like it was better in our backyard out there, but I also looked. The SD cards may have been corrupted on our GoPro, so I've cleared the SD cards out. So we're gonna do a short video. We're gonna do a cold start on the Hurst olds. Yesterday it fired right up, did exactly what I wanted it to do. So let's try it out again. Let's see what happens.